Proteins are the essential molecules in life. They drive almost every single biological process in our bodies. But for decades, scientists faced a massive, seemingly impossible challenge: understanding exactly how a protein's simple amino acid sequence determines its intricate three-dimensional structure. Welcome to This Explainer, where we're going to unravel one of the most fascinating biological mysteries of the past 50 years. So why does this matter? Well, because a protein's physical shape literally dictates how it functions. Figuring out that shape is absolutely crucial for biology and medicine. For over half a century, scientists tried to solve this fundamental puzzle. Can we accurately predict the final shape of a protein simply by looking at its sequence of building blocks? Part 1. The Protein Folding Puzzle. To really appreciate the magnitude of this breakthrough, let's look at why this has captivated the scientific community for so long. The protein folding problem is essentially a giant translation challenge. You can think of a protein as a long necklace made of different beads, which represent the amino acids. In nature, this linear string spontaneously folds itself into a highly complex, tangled 3D shape. The challenge is trying to look at just that one-dimensional sequence of beads and accurately predict the exact origami-like structure it's eventually going to form. And the scale of this problem is absolutely staggering. Through enormous experimental effort in laboratories, using incredibly complex techniques, researchers have determined the structures of around 100,000 unique proteins. But here's the catch. Thanks to modern genome sequencing, we actually know the sequences of billions of proteins. That creates a massive knowledge gap. Determining just one single structure in the lab can take months or even years of painstaking effort. Part 2. DeepMind's AI approach. To bridge this immense gap, the researchers asked a really bold question: whether artificial intelligence could accurately predict these protein structures directly from the amino acid sequences. This was a massive scientific challenge, definitely not just a simple engineering problem. This landmark work was conducted by researchers at DeepMind, led by John Jumper and colleagues. Historically, scientists tried to solve this by simulating the actual physical and thermodynamic forces that fold a protein, but honestly, that requires way too much computing power for most proteins. Instead, the authors developed AlphaFold, shifting the focus entirely to artificial intelligence. They leveraged the vast existing databases of evolutionary history and already solved protein structures to design a deep learning algorithm. Part 3. How AlphaFold works. So, how exactly did this artificial intelligence system learn to decode these complex biological geometries? Well, consider this helpful analogy. Just as language models learn the contextual patterns and rules between words to generate sentences, AlphaFold learned the biological and physical patterns connecting amino acid sequences with their final 3D protein structures. By analyzing massive amounts of data, the AI essentially learned the grammar of protein folding. To pull this off, the team at DeepMind introduced a highly novel neural network design. At its core is a block they named the evoformer. This component processes the input sequence alongside what are called multiple sequence alignments. Essentially, it's looking at the evolutionary relatives of the protein. The evoformer figures out the spatial and evolutionary relationships and then passes all of those insights over to a structure module. The study showed that AlphaFold doesn't just guess the structure once and call it a day. It uses a fascinating process of iterative refinement. First, it processes the sequence and evolutionary data. Second, it identifies those complex physical patterns in the evoformer. And third, it generates a 3D structure and then passes that structure back through the network repeatedly. This recycling process allows the AI to constantly adjust and refine the shape down to highly precise atomic details. Part 4. Unprecedented accuracy at CASP-14. To prove that this was a true scientific breakthrough and not just theoretical, the team subjected AlphaFold to a rigorous independent evaluation at CASP-14. CASP is essentially a blind test scientific challenge where researchers test how accurately computational methods can predict protein structures. The catch? The AI is tasked with predicting the shapes of newly discovered proteins whose structures have been mapped in a lab but haven't been published or publicly disclosed yet. This guarantees the system is tested on structures it has literally never seen before. The authors reported completely unprecedented results. AlphaFold achieved a remarkable median backbone accuracy of 0.96 angstroms on the CASP-14 dataset. To put that into perspective, the next best performing method only achieved 2.8 angstroms. Now, an angstrom is incredibly tiny. The width of a single carbon atom is about 1.4 angstroms, so AlphaFold was predicting structures with an error margin smaller than the width of an atom. You can really see this accuracy when you visualize it. The AlphaFold computational prediction, typically shown in blue, almost perfectly overlaps with the actual experimental structure, determined in the lab, which is shown in green. Even for a complex, intertwined protein, the prediction practically mirrors the physical reality. It beautifully demonstrates that the system can handle incredibly complex structural conditions, even without direct physical context.
Part 5. Impact and Limitations.
This unprecedented performance represents a major advance in computational biology. AlphaFold provides a powerful tool that can accelerate many areas of biological research. Instead of taking months to determine a structure, scientists can generate a highly accurate prediction computationally in a matter of minutes or hours. This helps scientists study proteins faster, supports fundamental biological research, and may greatly assist future drug discovery by allowing us to understand disease mechanisms at an atomic level. However, it is important to maintain scientific balance. We must remember that a computational prediction is not exactly the same as an experimental measurement. AlphaFold predicts the most likely structure of a protein in isolation, but in reality, protein biology involves many additional complexities. Proteins interact with other molecules, they exist in messy, complex cellular environments, and they can change shape. So researchers still absolutely rely on biological validation in the laboratory to confirm these predictions. Part 6. A milestone in biology. Let's bring all of this together. The work by Jumper and colleagues represents an important milestone in using artificial intelligence to understand biology. By explaining research papers like this, we hope to make scientific discoveries more accessible to students and lifelong learners. This explainer is based on the original paper, Highly Accurate Protein Structure Prediction with AlphaFold by Jumper et al., published in Nature in 2021. We've seen how machine learning can take the biological language of amino acids and translate it into complex 3D architecture, saving years of laboratory time. As computational tools continue to rapidly advance, one really has to wonder, what other seemingly impossible biological puzzles are we on the verge of finally solving? Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer.